In the case of dental fillings, a lot of people might be concerned about the expense that comes with this routine dental procedure. Fillings for dental cavities are utilized to fix dental cavities and to prevent decay from occurring. Costs for dental fillings can differ according to a variety of factors like the kind of filling material, as well as the location of the dental office, as well as the difficulty of the procedure. In this short video, we'll look at the various types of fillings for dental use and also examine the variables that could influence the price of this dental procedure. Types of dental fillings. There are a variety of material that could be utilized for fillings in the mouth. Most commonly, they are amalgam fillings, composite fillings, amalgam fillings made of gold, as well as ceramic fillings. Every filling type comes with its advantages as well as disadvantages. The price can differ based on the type of material selected. Amalgam fillings are among the most economical type of filling materials. They are amalgams of silver, mercury, tin, and copper. Although amalgam fillings are strong and last a long time, certain patients might be concerned regarding the mercury content of the fillings. Composite fillings consist of resin, quartz, or glass videos. They are tooth-colored and are able to match the natural hue of the teeth. Composite fillings cost more than amalgam fillings, but they're also more visually appealing. Fillings made from gold are an amalgamation of copper, gold, as well as various other metals. They are very robust and last for several years. Gold fillings are by far the most costly type of filling materials, however they last for a long time. The fillings made of ceramic are dental porcelain. They are tooth-colored as well. They are long-lasting and match the natural hue of the teeth. Ceramic fillings cost more than composite fillings, but they're also extremely aesthetically appealing. Factors affecting the cost of dental fillings. Many factors could affect the price of dental fillings. The place of the dental office could affect the price of the procedure. Dentists who are located in cities or areas with high costs of living might charge higher prices for fillings in the mouth as opposed to dentists who work in rural areas. The level of complexity will also impact the price of dental fillings. Complex cavities could require longer time and more materials for fix, which could increase the price of the treatment. Sometimes, further procedures like dental crowns or root canals could be required to fix the cavity. This could also impact the total price. Insurance coverage may also affect the price of dental fillings. Certain dental insurance plans can pay for fillings for dental purposes, while other plans might only cover a small portion of the expense. Patients must consult their insurance company to find out what's included in their coverage as well as what expenses out of pocket they could be liable for. It is crucial to remember that the price of dental fillings can differ significantly based on the variables that were mentioned earlier. Patients must consult their dentist in order to identify the most appropriate filling material to meet their requirements and also to determine the price for the process. The cost of dental fillings can differ based on a variety of aspects, such as the kind of filling material and the place of the dental office, as well as the difficulty of the procedure. Patients must consult their dentist for advice on the most appropriate filling material to meet their requirements and also to determine the price for the procedure. Fillings for dental cavities are essential to keeping your mouth healthy and stopping the development of further decay. Therefore, it is vital to treat dental cavities as soon as possible to prevent expensive dental procedures later on.